To create an ultra-wide video for Instagram, start by shooting your footage in 4K to ensure high resolution. In your editing software, create a sequence with dimensions of 5120 by 1080. Edit your video as usual, but keep your main subject centered so that nothing important gets cut off. Once you're done editing, export the video and upload it to CapCut on your phone. From there, re-export the video to your Photos app. After this step, upload the video to Instagram. It will now recognize it as an ultra-wide format video. Keep in mind that Instagram could patch this trick at any time, and the formatting may vary slightly between Reels, feed posts, and stories. Since this is a non-standard format, video compression might appear a bit harsher than usual. Still, with just a few extra steps, you can achieve that striking ultra-wide look that helps your content stand out and stop the scroll. If you'd like more tips and breakdowns like this, or want to stay up to date on social media trends, make sure to like and follow for more.